Boom. To ensure an optimal experience for the DJI Ronin 4D, we recommend you use the latest firmware. This video will show you how to update DJI Ronin 4D. Before updating, install all necessary accessories to the main body. Before updating the firmware with DJI Assistant 2 Ronin series. Download and install DJI Assistant 2 from the DJI Ronin 4D product page. Press and hold the power button to turn on DJI Ronin 4D. Use the standard USB-A to USB-C cable to connect DJI Ronin 4D with a computer. Launch DJI Assistant 2 and log in with your DJI account. Select the firmware version and click Update. Then wait for the download to complete. If DJI Assistant 2 prompts that the update fails, click Restart to try again.